Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I enjoy different cuisines from around the world, and Spanish is one of them. With delicious ingredients and beautiful aromatic herbs and spices, there are so many dishes to make, like sopa blanco, paella, gazpacho, romesco sauce, and many more, including this tasty one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Pisto Manchego. This is such an amazing recipe. It's basically the French version of a ratatouille. With bell peppers, eggplant, tomatoes, onions, and other great ingredients, along with herbs and seasoning, this is another flavorful Spanish dish to add to the list. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, let's prep this beautiful eggplant. We'll cut the ends off and discard them. Then we'll slice the vegetable in half. From here, we'll cut each half into 1/2 inch thick slices. We'll take each slice, cut in half, and then dice into 1/2 inch cubes. We want nice small pieces as even as possible so they cook uniformly. Next, we'll transfer them on a baking sheet lined with paper towels and spread them out in a single layer before generously sprinkling on some ground sea salt. We want to put enough on so it draws out the moisture. We'll let it sit for 30 minutes. Half an hour later, using paper towels, we'll press down on the diced eggplant to remove any excess liquid. When this step is done, we'll move on to the stove. In a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add onions, red peppers, and green peppers, although I'm using poblano today. We'll saute the ingredients for 4 minutes. When time is up, we'll add the zucchini. Give a good stir to blend, cover, and cook for 5 minutes, stirring halfway through. A few minutes later, we'll add our eggplant and combine with the other ingredients before seasoning with freshly ground black pepper. I'm not adding more salt because we've already added a lot on the eggplant earlier. We'll stir once again, cover, and cook for 5 minutes or until tender. To see if they're done, just press down with the tip of your spoon or spatula. Mine needed more time as they were slightly too firm, so I cooked them for another 2 minutes, putting the lid back on. Alright, so after that, we'll add the pressed garlic and the red pepper flakes. We'll saute the ingredients for only 1 minute. To this, we'll add a can of crushed tomatoes, including the juices, and blend them in with the mixture. Now, we'll season with vinagre de Jerez, which is this one, but you can always use regular sherry vinegar. Then some granulated sugar, followed by rosemary, dried thyme leaves, and a little bit of smoked paprika. We'll give a good stir so everything is well mixed, then cover and cook for 5 minutes. When time is up, we'll uncover, stir again, reduce the heat to medium-low, and let the pisto simmer gently, about 15 minutes. We want the liquid to be mostly evaporated. Also, let's not forget to taste and adjust. I like it the way it was, but David wanted a little more sugar, so I added some. Of course, if we add anything to it, we'll have to stir again. When the cooking time is done, there are 2 options. First, you can make a few wells and crack an egg in each and enjoy it with some crusty bread. Or, second, serve it as is along with some cured ham or as a side dish. Either way, it's amazingly delicious. And my friends, this is our Pisto Manchego. This classic Spanish dish is a tasty combination of perfectly cooked and seasoned vegetables. It's very easy to make and a delicious one-pot meal or side dish to serve to your family. This stewed vegetables recipe has to be on your must-try list. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!